What's up, guys? Fishing in the snowstorm. About to hammer some fish. Alright, you can't be a pussy, you gotta talk, so we're entertaining.
Fishing in the snowstorm, but not ice fishing.
Not ice fish.
Open water, 2016. And she's gone.
Yep.
Crappie?
Really? Dude, you're hammering the crappie. Going in for fun. Right there. At the spot. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. No! Deny. There you go. Oh. Man, I'm getting the bluegill. This guy's just a little too small, huh? Where'd my glove go? My camouflage glove. It's camouflage, you can't see it. I had to put them down somewhere. You got 3 crappie now?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Somebody playing with it, but it wouldn't take. Took my bait instead. It's a full-on blizzard now.
It is, it's snowing. You have some accumulation.
You hear the wind blowing hard.
Yeah, you can see it out there right too. Like right in the middle of the cove, that snow's just blowing straight to the south. You've got protection. We catch your fish, so that's alright. There we go. Oh. Me too. Got him. I'm the keeper here.
Oh, dude, look at that one.
Look at these toads. So bluegill fishing here. What are we, March 19th? 40 degrees out.
Oh, yeah.
A little after ice off. Didn't check the water temperature. Might do that here pretty soon, but it's still, I think it's colder than it was the other day.
Nice one.
Nice bluegill here. Gonna catch our limits of these. Couple bonus crappie.
The best part about it, no one else is here.
No one else is here.
Put it on GPS, we're gonna need it to find our way back to the truck.
Yeah, we're gonna get snowed out. Snowed in.
And the bobber's gone.
And the bobber's gone. So we can't leave because the fish are biting real good. Back out here. Oh my God, look at the snow.
It's so hard you can't even see your bobber.
Taking the orange. Yeah, neon red, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got it on? Hog. So that's what we're looking at here, guys.
Yep.
About 8 inches, right around there. Some nice bluegill.
Right around 8.
Oh. Look at that. The windsock on here is just getting covered in snow.
Collecting snow.
Oh, you can see that on the camera. I'm sure. I don't see how you couldn't see it.
You gotta see it. Oh.
Just a little bit here. Oh. Get laying in there.
Crop.
There we go. Oh man. Alright. Man, it doesn't look like it's gonna get any better. It's even more white out there. So let's get a limit. Yeah, get on out of here. What we're using wax worms. Pretty much the same stuff that we're doing ice fishing here. It's so close to ice off.
They're still eating the same
They're
thing.
still eating them. They're still loving them. I don't even know I'm putting a new one on. I still got one on there. Oh, 2 of them on there equals twice the bluegill. 16 incher.
Oh yeah. Well, it's about crappie time.
My turn, crappie, right here. Hey, bam, bam. You can get them first. Oh. Crappie? Yep.
Oh, I called it. Called my shot.
Crappie number 4.
Right there. Crappie number 4.
Crappie are good size too. They're nice and healthy. 9 inches. 10 maybe.
Yeah.
9.5.
9.5 right in there.
Get eating. Oh, ow. What's that? And I guess I put 2 on, means they take both of them.
Means they got an extra helping.
Come on, 12-inch crappie. Get them in there. Okay, look at glad I wore these boots instead of my other shoes. It's a little muddier down here.
Yeah. And what we rode the other day.
Yeah.
Just down the bank.
A little bit further out. Is that what crappie are out there?
Right about there is where I would get.
Alright. Come on, crappie.
Yep.
Know what? My turn. Crappie. Come on.
These are okay size for you, right?
Dude, those are great.
Okay, cool.
Like those all day.
I'll trade you the big bluegill for them.
Oh yeah, for the crappie.
Hey, you got 6 inches.
Dude.
Cool.
I want it a little smaller, huh?
I mean, if you can eat them.
I can eat them, but we're catching bluegill.
Yeah, he is kind of little. Cool, the crappie out just a little more.
Okay, I'm going back out. Come on, crappie.
Yeah, that's where I was getting them, just like right out there.
Dude, I bet we could throw a jig out there.
Maybe. Maybe so.
Hit it. Oh. Get him. Oh, I missed.
Just so everybody behind the camera knows, we do let some go.
But we keep a lot to eat too, because it's tasty.
Get them while you can, because they won't be here long. They'll move around.
We're out fishing in the snow. I'm keeping some. Come on. Oh, come on, it's up. Oh. Crappie. Bam. Get your crappie. Come on. Hey, get that crappie. Mine.
Oh, nothing. Yeah.
Ow, I can't hook them out there.
I'll get them.
Oh, little guy. Dude, look at the snow now. Those are huge flakes. Got accumulation like a mammoth.
They have 2 inches on the ground before we leave.
I know.
You can't even see where to cast.
Can't see my bobber. Ah.
Oh, nice crappie.
Nice crappie?
Good.
Dude, look at that.
Look.
Oh yeah. Cool. What do we got there? There's a measuring thing over here. What do you got?
I think he's still over there.
We got blue skies over there.
Behind us is blue. Blue as can be.
And we got Biggest snowflakes I've seen this season.
In a while.
I didn't see any during winter this big. Crappie thing, my hand's freezing now. That's nice, dude.
Not bad.
And now time to break for our local sponsor.
2 more minutes and the sun will be here.
I don't know why I can't hook these crappie out there though.
I don't know.
Maybe that's up?
Yeah, it's like they're just a little further out there.
Yeah.
And they just pull it under real slow.
I just gotta be a little bit more aggressive with my hook set. I don't know. Ah!
You just got to, the hardest part is making sure the line's all the way tight.
Yeah.
Like when you're that far out, there's a lot of slack sometimes.
I think that's what I missed, you know.
Doing some work over there somewhere.
Alright, so there's nothing straight back above me, huh? I can cast overhand here. Oh, dude.
Nice gill.
Nice bluegill. Ah, secret coffee spot right there. Come on, big boy.
Another nice gill. Pushing 7 3/4, 8 inches. Oh yeah, clear out there. I think I just saw it.
Nope, maybe not. I saw it coming back.